As the tension is going up.
And
walks like a pero but in fact is a flamingo.
You will see also the truth about living with a dog on a boat. Oh, shit. Welcome on the World on Wave. We are Arina, Cătălin and the Doberman Monarch. We are living on our Bavaria 50, planning to see the entire world by boat. We were journalists, so we film everything. If you love boats and the sea and also the miracles of land, if you have your own dreams, you have all the reasons to stick with us. What is going on here? Nevest?
our TV.
We will have a TV. Yay! We kept it in a box for almost 1 year. And now we have decided to install it. The dimension is perfect.
Let's put it. Come and
So,
help me, please.
You need me to make a sign, right? To make a sign back there to know where to put the hose. It wasn't so easy to make room for my hand in the tight space between the wall and the TV set, so don't be judgmental.
No.
Oh, it's not okay. The third is invisible. My colored idea wasn't appreciated by everyone.
What is this?
You told me to put some marks, some points.
Yes, but
I wanted them to be obvious. After measurements and adjustments, we succeeded. Movie time!
yes. And also we have some.
Do we have to pay more for this option? Does it work?
I hope.
Normal house! We don't think that the TV itself was important, but more the fact that it creates in our minds the idea of home. And there we will stay. Sorry about the mess. We are reorganizing the house. Too tight.
A little bit. But we manage.
Can we use another cable or something? And it's a little bit on the right side. Yes, it's. Exactly.
For a moment, you know. We'll try with this.
Just to see if it works. And we need to find another way. And this is a remote. Wow, 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 wow. Sorry. Well, it was not exactly like home.
I don't remember how to open it.
Okay, and now what can we do?
I don't know.
We have no cable. Damn it. Da, oamenii răi.
But we have internet, and this is smart
And?
TV. I don't know.
So maybe we
But
can
we have
watch.
TV.
Maybe. Monar, mămiță, ce dragoste. Da, mămică, gata, hoti, băieții răi. Maybe can we watch Netflix directly on this big screen? Kiss FM.
Okay, information.
Okay, that's nice. Da, mămița, da ciocofliți. Gata.
Aha,
Woo! Netflix!
just a moment.
Wow, you need to press Netflix. How do we press it? Here!
Yes, this is Netflix.
Netflix!
Oh. 1, 2. No.
As the tension is going up.
And?
Did you press enter?
Yes.
We need to wait, just wait. I hope so. Come on! We couldn't watch Netflix, probably because we didn't have powerful internet. But YouTube worked just fine. The TV project wasn't enough. Good morning! The project of the day, to install the audio system. What does this mean?
A lot of work.
Ta-na-na. It's a mess. It's a mess. We destroyed the house.
Do you want good sound?
So much effort for good sound. So what's the idea? To put these wires, to hide them somehow. You will see also the truth about living with a dog on a boat. Look here. And 2 days ago I cleaned those parts, but without moving the
Look here.
floor.
De la Vigo, walks like a pero but in fact is a flamingo. Coming to Havana and reach from Puerto Rico. On a pirate ship, you don't know where do we go. The birds of the jungle chasing fortune and fame, but Juan is flamingo is not walking the same. Balaje de la flauta en banana for fun. Es una vida loca and chasing the sun. Guitarra. But in fact is a flamingo. Música rosa with a style and fashion. El ritmo del flamenco is heard to Japan. Embalaje de la flauta en banana for fun. Es una vida loca, keep chasing the sun. Juanito, Juanito, Juanito. Juanito, Juanito, Juanito. Guitarra.
It became bigger. Look how clean it's here now. Thank you. My turn. Installing 5 speakers on a boat without seeing the wires turned out to be a complicated operation.
It's very hard to find a place where to hide the wires.
I'm so sorry, don't be upset.
I don't want to see any more wires.
A new day on Perseus, the same project. all the speakers. Good luck, Neves.
Thank you.
New day on Perseus. The mass is exactly the same. What happened to your finger? You hurt yourself?
Yes.
Don't give your life for this speaker.
No, I don't. It's too long.
Oye, Héctor.
Right and left.
Con risas y penas, ay, si sufro, si lloro, tengo una pena que dirá.
Actually, all these were part of Perseus crew preparations for Easter, the first Easter by ourselves, without our family and friends. And the holiday marked many other new experiences. Here are the eggs already boiled. And now the instructions are very clear. I think that we will do a great job. They say, here I have water with some vinegar. We put the color here in a glass. Put the solution dye in a glass of hot water. Stai că am greșit. Place hot or cold water in a bowl enough to cover all the eggs. Așa. Add 200 add. Dilute the egg dye in a glass of hot water. Aici trebuia să fie hot water. And stir well until dissolved.
It's very simple.
It's very simple. Okay, so I need to...
You're a mess.
How much hot water? Probably for a glass. I can manage. I will do the eggs. In this bowl with vinegar, I will put... Oh no, not good. Let it here. Oh shit. It is hot. I'm a disaster. Perfect. Shit. What I'm going to do? Okay. Okay. I will manage. We are listening to traditional Romanian music. They said 6-7 minutes. We let them 20 because we forgot. Please, God, I want them.
It's nothing new.
Nothing new?
No.
Please, God, make them red. Please. Ce frumoase sunt! Cât de frumos este! Cât de frumos este! Wow! E bine aici să le las sau poate ar trebui pe ceva mai uscat?
You speak in Romanian or in English?
Sorry! I put them here or on something... I don't know the word. What to do? I think it's not okay that here is a little water. This is not as red as the others. It's okay? I pull it. Oh no, I don't like this. It's pink. It needs to be red. What are you cooking?
Lamb steak in the oven.
Yes, a traditional dish for Easter in Romania and also in Greece, we have seen, right?
Yes.
The music is Romanian. These are my eggs! Now, soup operation, lamb soup. I'm trying to make a Romanian Easter on Perseas. Here is the meat. And I will cook the soup while Neves is working. Because we really hope that on Easter Day we will just enjoy, maybe go to the beach or something. And in a few hours we are going at the church because we are really curious how all the service is in Greece. I extinguished the flame of the priest's holy light. Is it good luck? Ευχαριστώ. Χριστός θα ενβιάτ. When we were about to leave, this happened. We really enjoyed the Easter day. For the first time this year, we went on the beach, we played in the sea. Then we ate and rested. Guys, if you enjoyed this, the best way...
Subscribe!
And don't forget, hit the like button. For early updates and funny things, you also find The World on Wave on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. We would be really grateful if you may consider to support us on Patreon. With your help, you will experience new and interesting things around the world. You have the power to make it happen. And don't forget, follow your dream.